Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Today we will read class 7 SST unit number 2. Its question answer. Its first question is define denudation. Denudation means wearing of the earth's surface resulting in the exposure of the lower layer of the earth. This process is called denudation. What are the types of weathering? Physical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. What is landsliding? The movement of rock down a slope is known as landsliding. What is physical weathering? Physical weathering is also known as mechanical weathering. It occurs due to breakdown of rocks without chemical change. Such type of weathering occurs in cold and dry regions. Question number 5. What is weathering? The process in which rocks are disintegrated into smaller fragments due to physical and chemical weathering is known as weathering. Long question number 1 is write down the suggestion to reduce land erosion and mass wasting. Trees should be planted along the sides of canals and rivers because they reduce the soil erosion. Forests should be planted on the slopes of mountains to control mass wasting and erosion. Buildings should not be constructed on slopes. Colonies should not be established in such areas where there is a danger of erosion and mass wasting. Retaining walls should be constructed along the roads of mountainous areas. What are the impact of land erosion and mass wasting? Impact soil and marshes flow and landsliding cause deaths and destructions. Rolling of boulders can destroy the whole village. Landslides block the pathway and disconnect the means of communication among people. Soil erosion carries away the fertile layer of soil and it results into a decrease in the production of crops. During erosion, water carries abundant soil and transfers it to canals and dams which result in decreases of their water holding capacity. Describe mass wasting in detail. Mass wasting, it is defined as the large movement of rock, soil and debris downwards due to gravitational force. Mass wasting is also known as mass movement or slope movement. Types of mass wasting: soil creep, marshes flow. Soil creeps very slow, it's a long-term process, but marshes flow rapidly. Landsliding destroys each and everything coming its way. Roads get blocked, villages get destroyed, and it causes destruction and vast level. All the three forms of denudation are linked with each other. Weathering weakens the rocks and layers of rocks get separated. What is weathering? Describes its type. Weathering, the process in which the rocks are disintegrated into smaller fragments due to physical change, is known as weathering. Types of weathering: physical weathering, chemical weathering, biological weathering. Physical weathering. Physical weathering is also known as mechanical weathering. It occurs due to breakdown of rock without chemical change. Such type of weathering occurs in cold and dry regions. Chemical weathering. Various kinds of mineral sources are found in rocks. Interaction of these minerals with water and gas creates various chemical reactions. Such chemical reactions weakens the rock and gradually the process of disintegration of rock starts. This type of weathering is called chemical weathering. Biological weathering. Biological weathering is also known as organic weathering. It occurs due to living organic but mostly plant cause biological weathering. Sometimes biological weathering happens due to animals and insects. Now we solve our fill in the blanks. There are dash type of weathering 3. Denudation is also called dash mass movement. The factors which are involved in erosion are called erosional factors. Physical weathering is also known as dash weathering, mechanical weathering. In the northern regions of dash physical weathering occurs Pakistan. Gases involved in chemical weathering are dash and carbon dioxide, oxygen. The movement of rock down a slope is known as dash mass movement. Dash erosion carries away the fertile layer of soil, which results in decreases in production of crops soil. The movement of rock material is dash on slopy mountains as compared to others rapid. These answers are present on your notes. Here is fill in the blanks and also MCQs and true false also present. First, our MCQs is the movement of rock down a slope is known as landslide. How many types of weathering are there? 3. Physical weathering occurs in cold and dry regions. Which areas of Pakistan face erosion and mass wasting? Northern. Biological weathering is also known as organic weathering. Which gases are involved in chemical weathering? Oxygen and nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Physical weathering is also known as mechanical weathering. Now we solve our true false. Our first statement, remelting and refreezing have the power to break down any strong rock. True. There are 4 types of denudation. False. When the rainwater enters the cracks and holes of rocks, it mixes with the minerals and forms a solution. False. Biological weathering is also known as mechanical weathering. False. Tree enhance the soil erosion. False. When the rainwater enters the cracks and holes of rocks, it mixes with the minerals and forms a solution. True.